So we got a spot here at the Grand Canyon Railway RV Park. You check in here. Across the street there's a little pet kennel. It's right across from the RV park, and behind me is where the hotel is, where there's a hot tub and an indoor pool.
Did you get the last spot?
We got some of the last spots. We just booked 2 weeks out, which was good, and with Passport America we got half off during certain seasons up until May 18th. Now that's over, so we just got in for the last couple days of the discount. But there's a nice playground right there. The train runs right by the RV park, so there's some train noise, but it's a really cool place in a nice little town about an hour from the Grand Canyon. That's where our RV is, that's where the train is. Is that a yummy fry? Yummy ketchup? What did you think of that burrito at the Roadkill Cafe? What was it called? You don't want to say. What was it called?
He's like embarrassed.
What was
to
it
say
called? The
It's like a skunk.
rolled skunk or something?
Skunk something.
Skunk roll?
I didn't know.
Family restaurant.
So this is our last morning here at the Grand Canyon Railway RV Resort. We're gonna walk over to the Cowgirl Coffee Cake Company, which is a great place for breakfast and pastries, and they have lunch over there too. Looks like the best place to go. It's right across the tracks from the train depot if you're heading on the train. The train leaves at 9:30 each morning, and there is a buffet over there too, but it looks like the Cowgirl Coffee Cake Company is a place to go. I'm out of breath running around getting ready to leave today with the kids. And we'll show you what's all over there at the train station and the 9 o'clock morning Western show. What'd you get, Ellie? Brownie. Is it good? Ooh, Ty, what'd you get? Yummy cheese Danish, and I got a piece of coffee cake. Yummy. What do you think, Ty? So
I'm
good?
gonna fall asleep after this.
You're gonna go to
So good.
sleep.
just saw the train off, and now we're walking around the hotel where you can use the pool and hot tub when you stay at the Grand Canyon Railway RV Park. The hotel is a real close walk, so it's nice to have those amenities, and even just to see the train off and the Wild West show at 9 a.m. in the morning before the train takes off was a pretty fun morning. We're walking back to our RV. We're gonna get it ready to take it closer to a boondocking, dry camping site right a mile outside of the south entrance of the Grand Canyon.